So here we have given a group of 15 soldiers had food enough for 80 days. How many soldiers should leave the group so that the food is enough for 100 days? So here is relation between the number of soldiers and number of days. So 15 soldiers have enough food for 80 days. In second, how many students should leave? So already we have 15. Suppose X soldiers leave. Now the food is enough for 100 days. So here number of soldiers and days are in indirect relation. So there is indirect relation between the number of soldiers and days. So we can write 15 minus x by 15 is equals 80 by 100. In case of indirect relation, we can change these terms. So it is 15 minus x is equals 80 by 100. This 15 in divide, move in opposite side, it becomes multiply. So 0 0 cancel. 2 times 5 mean 10, 2 times 4 mean 8, and 5 times 3 mean 15. So 15 minus x is equals 4 times 3 mean it is 24. So 4 times 3 means it is 12. So 15 we have this 12 in plus, move in this side, becomes minus. This x in minus, move in opposite side, it becomes plus. So x is equals 15 minus 12, it means it is 3. So 3 soldiers should leave so that the food is enough for 100 days. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.